welcome to Mega Allegra. My name is Allegra and I'm here with my little sister Carmen. And I'm gonna show you how to make cheeseburgers! So here's what we need. We need some raw meat, some flour, an onion, and an egg. It's a little joke. This one's the real one. We also need some cheese and a bun. We also need a bowl and a knife. First of all, we put the egg in the bowl. Then pick it up. Now we need to chop the onion and add it to the bowl. Now we add a scoop of flour. Now we add the raw meat. It looks like bread. It smells like cow. It's so squidgy. I'm gonna make this into a patty. I made it into a smiley face. Now you need to cook it. You can use an oven. You can use a grill. Or my favorite, a George Foreman grill. Pa, 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 pa. Get an adult to help you put them on the grill. Watch your fingers. And now we wait. While that's cooking, let's get the bun ready. Don't forget the cheese. Let's check on our burgers. Smells good. Get an adult to help you take them off the grill. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Now take your bun, your burger, put it on here, and put the cheese on, and put the bun. And there we go. A delicious homemade burger. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!